Let's walk through how to position the camera in Blender to get the best possible rendering of your item. So it can be tricky, right? If you click on camera, you get stuck like this. I can't really see my nice square blocky Minecraftish car here, and that's not what I want. So now what I want is to be able to move that camera. The easiest way to do that is you want to hit View. Once I select View, I'm going to select Sidebar. Now that I've loaded the sidebar, here it is over here, I need to go ahead and select View again. Now that I've clicked on View, finally I can go Lock Camera to View. Click, and let's go into Camera View. Boom. And now, when I zoom out or move around, I get to actually control my rendering, so I can get the best possible shot of my car. And let's see what I got. Boom.